The Thermo Scientific Multidrop Combi Plus and Multidrop Combi Smart Plus instruments are user-friendly and easy to program for a wide range of applications. In this video, we will discuss cassette selection and basic cleaning. The standard tube dispensing cassette has a wide volume range and can rapidly fill plates at higher volumes. The standard tube cassette is an excellent choice for high throughput applications, especially at volumes above 25 microliters per well. The small tube plastic tip cassette is excellent for accurate, high throughput dispensing at low volumes. The small tube plastic tip cassette is also an excellent choice for dispensing costly reagents thanks to the low dead volume, most of which is recoverable using the empty function. The small tube metal tip cassette is a specialized version of the small tube plastic tip cassette with the same volume range and dead volume. Small tube metal tip cassettes are excellent for specialized applications such as dispensing viscous liquids that may clog the plastic tip cassette. All three cassette types should be cleaned and maintained regularly. After running your application, clean the cassette tubing by dispensing deionized water by holding down the prime button. Thoroughly flush the lines with water, and then backflush them by holding down the empty button. Use at least 20 milliliters of water for standard tube cassettes and 10 milliliters of water for small tube cassettes. If flushing with water is insufficient, a mild laboratory detergent such as Tween 20 or Triton X100 can be dispensed in the same manner. Be sure to thoroughly flush the tubing with deionized water after dispensing any detergent. Do not leave cassettes on the instrument with the tubing under tension for extended periods when not in use. If you want to keep the cassette installed on the instrument, simply reposition the top of the cassette to the rest position as shown here. Cassettes can also be stored between use in their original packaging. Wherever you store your cassettes, be sure to use the metal tip protector to prevent dust or debris from entering the tips and causing an obstruction. If you do discover an obstruction in your cassette's dispensing tips, it can usually be cleared by backflushing the instrument while holding a reservoir filled with deionized water or mild laboratory detergent to the tips. This will draw the deionized water or mild detergent back through the tips, clearing most obstructions. For more advanced cassette troubleshooting techniques or cleaning guides, please refer to the user manual or contact your local Thermo Fisher representative.